Alright guys, I knew it was gonna storm tonight, but that doesn't sound like normal thunder. I don't know what the fuck that sound is. So it doesn't sound like normal thunder. There's too much of it. Thunder doesn't come in those patterns. There's too much. What the fuck is that? I don't know what the hell that is. I don't see lightning or anything. I knew it was gonna storm tonight. I saw my forecast, but that just doesn't sound like normal thunder. Sounds like there's something like banging in the clouds or something. That doesn't sound normal. Yo, what the fuck is that, guys? That doesn't sound normal at all. That's pretty fucking scary. It's like 12, I don't know if it's like 10, 11 o'clock right now, but that doesn't sound like normal thunder. I don't think thunder sounds like that. I mean, there's too much of it, you know? Like usually there's usually like a couple minutes or seconds after, but dude, that doesn't sound like normal thunder. That sounds like something else. I don't know what the fuck that sound is. It's like there's something banging inside the clouds itself. I don't know what the hell that is, guys, but this is pretty scary. I don't know what the fuck that is. I was like sitting in my bed just minding my own business. I heard this shit in the sky. I thought someone was blowing fireworks or something. I thought it was normal, but then I look out my window. I start hearing this shit. I don't see no fireworks or anything. Like usually you could at least see them, but there ain't no fireworks. Do you guys hear that? That sounds like banging. Do you guys fucking hear that shit? Bro, I'm so spooked right now. I don't even have an intro for you guys. This is fucking creepy as shit, man. Man, what's going on? Is God playing golf or something in the clouds? Like, what the hell is this, man? This is weird as shit. I don't think God even likes golf. Even if he was playing golf, why is it so noisy? Nah, man, this is something else, man. I don't know what the hell this is. This is creepy as shit, though. I hope this, whatever this is, I hope it goes away, man. I'm not sure if you guys could hear this clearly. I mean, I'm gonna review this footage after, so I'll be able to see. But yeah, this is pretty scary, guys. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm not sure if you guys could hear all this shit clearly, but there's like banging in the sky or something. Doesn't sound like thunder. Shit. I don't know what the hell this is.